Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your online classes also children. So children, before start today we will start our GK class. Before that I want to ask few of the question. So my first question is, which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Yes, that's right. Yes, that national animal is your, yes, that you all are knowing. So which is your national bird? Yes, it's correct. We have done in our previous chapter also. That is peacock. So just like that, why we were talking about animals and birds today. So as you all were aware that we have started our unit 1, which is the natural world. The natural world. Now natural world is related to your nature, as I told you earlier also. It's related to your nature, your surroundings, your environment, and about that only today we are going to do it. Few of the amazing animals. Amazing animals means there are few of the features of animal which make them different from other. देयर आर सम एनिमल्स, कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं बेटा, उनके अंदर वो क्वालिटीज विच दो हैव, मतलब उनके अंदर जो फीचर्स हैं दैट मेक देम डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. एलिफेंट कैन कैरी हैवी लोड. बट other animal, like if I talk about horse is not strong as elephant was, but horse can run fast. So what is the feature, best feature of horse? That horse can run fast. Elephant का क्या best feature हो गया? That he is very strong, he can carry a lot of weight also. So just like that, every animal has its own feature. Every animal has its own feature which make them different or which make them differ from other animals. So with these feature only we are going to do today's topic, which is amazing animals. Today's topic is amazing animals, and we are going to study in this chapter about the amazing features of the animal. We'll study animals के different features के बारे में, amazing features के बारे में we are going to study in this chapter. So let's find it out. This is your page number 44 in your GK book. So you will open your GK book, page number 44. Page number 44. In fact 44 and 45 both are there. And what is there in your book, you have been given with multiple choice questions. You have been given with multiple choice question. In your book, multiple choice questions will be given and you are supposed to take the correct answer. But while putting tick on a correct answer, we are going to find it out what are the other feature of that animal. So children, we will start with our first question related to amazing animals. Page number 44 from your GK book. Now the first is, what part of their body do elephants use for fighting, digging, lifting objects, gathering food and stripping the bark from trees? So these are the different activities which were done by elephant. Digging, lifting means उठाना, gathering means इकट्ठा करना, stripping means पेड़ की जो छाल होती है उसको निकालना, from the bark from tree. अभी which part of elephant do help them to do all these things? In your book you have been given with 3 parts. A part is trunk, B is tusks and C is ears. Now as you all are aware that ears of elephant is quite big. Elephants of the ears of elephants are quite big. So what is the reason behind this? That their ears help them to make their surroundings, like whatever they have in their surrounding, like minor small insects and flies, they move them with those ears by flipping them. Now these ears won't be able to do all these activity. Now the next is trunk. What is trunk? Trunk is the long nose that elephant is having. That long nose is called trunk. And if you have seen any elephant, that trunk is only help them to carry anything, to lift anything, to gather anything, to eat. If they want to eat anything, they hold it with their trunk and then put it in their mouth. So which part of elephant help them to do all these activity, like digging, lifting, gathering food, all these activity? That is trunk. So here in question number 1, you have the correct answer is trunk. Make a mark on trunk, and this will be your correct answer. At last we will revise all these questions once again. Question number 1 was that which part of their body do elephant use for fighting? Digging, lifting object, gathering food, and stripping the bark from trees. So this is the part only, that is one is trunk. Now come to second one. How does a female koala bear carry her baby? Female koala bear carry her baby. Now these bear are not common bear which you commonly see, which lives in polar region. Now these koala bear are quite intelligent, and there are different part in their body which help them to carry their young ones with them. Now they have arms also, they have their tails also, they have their paws also, and one more thing they have which help them to carry their babies in it. So we'll read out the question one more time. How does a female koala bear carry her baby? A is in her arms, B in a pouch on her belly, and C part is with her tail. So no, with her tail she won't be able to carry her baby, because the tail of the koala bear is not at all strong. And A is in her arm, because that koala bear moves with all their 4 legs. So she won't be able to carry her baby in her arm. So how does that koala bear carry her baby? So this koala bear has a pouch. Pouch means आपको ऐसा करके pouch होता है उसके on her belly. Belly means just below the stomach. This kind of a pouch ही है, जैसे डोरेमोन का pouch होता है. डोरेमोन का आपने pouch देखा है कैसे होता है? Just like that koala bear is also having pouch just like a Doraemon, and within that pouch that koala bear is carrying her baby. So what is the correct answer of number 2 question? In a pouch on her belly. In a pouch on her belly. Fine. In her pouch on her belly means on the belly that koala bear is having a pouch, this kind of a pouch, like just like a Doraemon, and within this pouch that koala bear is carrying her baby. So number 2 answer will be in a pouch on her belly. So take this correct option, in a pouch on her belly. Now come to question number 3. Which part of its body does a kangaroo use for standing and jumping? Means kangaroo use which part of their body to stand, खड़े होने के लिए, और jump करने के लिए. Which part of their body they use for standing and jumping? Tail. A part is tail, B part is front leg, and C part is back legs. So which part is used by kangaroo? As you can see in the picture that kangaroo is standing and standing on his back legs. So back legs help them to stand. Back legs help them to stand and jump. So what is the correct answer of third one? That is back legs. Front legs, they don't help them to stand or run. And tail also don't provide anything to stand, don't provide, because that is quite flexible. Now what is flexible? Just like that elastic. इलास्टिक होता है ना, रबर बैंड कैसा होता है, उसको ऐसे खींचते हो तो उसमें कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, बट इट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड, वो बड़ा भी कर सकते हैं, छोटा भी कर सकते हैं. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट कैंगरू का भी जो बॉडी होता है, दैट टेल इज नॉट सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. तो बॉडी में उसका जो बैक लेग्स होते हैं, पीछे वाले जो दो पैर होते हैं, दे दैट 2 legs विल हेल्प देम टू स्टैंड. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What are camels also called? Camels को हम और क्या बोलते हैं? Camels को क्या बोलते हैं? Now here option A is, what is your A option here? A option is ships of the desert, B wonders of the desert, and C rats of the desert. So rats of the desert तो हम नहीं बोल सकते because camel are itself a animal. तो rat दोबारा उसको rat तो बनाएंगे नहीं हम camel को. तो come to B part, wonders of the desert. It can be asked, but most commonly camels are called ships of the desert. Why they are called ships of the desert? Because first of all camel बहुत ऊंचा होता है, so that जो डेजर्ट होता है, जो रेत होती है, आपको पता है कि डेजर्ट एरिया में बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है, बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है, तो उससे क्या होता है, वो जो रेत होती है वो गर्म हो जाती है. और बिकॉज कैमल की लेग्स बहुत लंबी होती है, सो दैट हीट डजंट रीच टू द कैमल, और वो इजीली, उसके पैडेड फीट होते हैं, ऐसे गद्दीदार पैर होते हैं, जैसे सॉफ्ट से होते हैं पैर, जैसे गद्दे आपके घर में जो आपके कुशन्स होते हैं सॉफ्ट, वैसे मोटे मोटे पैर होते हैं. अब उससे दे कैन इजिली वॉक इन द डेजर्ट, उससे उनको गर्मी भी नहीं लगती, और जो डेजर्ट की गर्मी होती है वो भी उनकी बॉडी तक नहीं पहुंचती है. देन दे कैन इजिली वॉक इन द डेजर्ट. दैट्स व्हाई कैमल इज कॉल्ड शिप्स ऑफ द डेजर्ट. नाउ वी विल राइट इट डाउन. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ 4? शिप्स of the desert. Ships of the desert. Ships of the desert. और जहाँ पे भी अगर if you will went in desert area, आप desert area में अगर जाओगे, you will find it out कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो शिप ये कैमल के ऊपर ही बैठ करके, and then they are traveling from one place to another place. So it is quite often you will find it out camel. That's why these camel are called ships of the desert. Ships of the desert. Ships of the desert. Now we'll come to our next question. Question number 5. Which of the following is the favorite food of a giant panda? Now question number 5 is this. Which of the following is the favorite food of a giant panda? A part is apple, B part is bananas, and C part is bamboo. Which is the favorite food of a giant panda? So what is the favorite food of giant panda? Yes, that is bamboo. Number 5 is bamboo. Bamboo is the favorite food of giant panda. So they like to eat giant panda. Giant panda mostly found in polar region, and they like to eat bamboos a lot because apples and bananas are not available in that region. So they like to eat bamboos only. Now here very interesting tidbits is given, that is the ostrich is the largest bird in the world. This we have done in the previous chapter also when we were doing about birds. So what is that? The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It can run very fast but cannot fly. Remember it. Ostrich can run very fast. Ostrich can run very fast but it cannot fly. Ostrich is the bird which cannot fly but it can run very fast. And ostrich is also known as the largest bird in the world. So children, with this we have completed our page number 44. So let's open page number 45. Now 45 page, on 45 page your question number 6 is very interesting. Question number 6 says, which of the following is not true about monkeys? Which of the following is not true about monkeys? Now what is given here? A part is they stand and walk mostly on their two hind legs. Two hind legs means जो उनके पीछे के जो दो पैर होते हैं उन पे ही वो खड़े हो सकते हैं, उन पे ही वो वॉक कर सकते हैं. तो ये ट्रू है कि नहीं है? नो, इट इज नॉट ट्रू. ये ट्रू नहीं है. And this was only asked here in question number 6. Which of the following is not true about monkeys? ये true नहीं है because they are walking and while standing also they are taking support of that front two legs. So they stand and walk mostly on their two hind legs. That is false. So that will be the answer of your question number 6. That is, they stand and walk. They stand and walk. They stand and walk mostly on their two hind legs. So this is untrue. This is not true. Two hind legs. Other two options are, B option is they are intelligent animal. Yes, obviously monkeys are quite intelligent. They know from where they will get the food. See, most monkeys peel banana before eating them because as I told you, monkeys are quite intelligent. They are aware that they have to peel the banana and before eating the banana. So sixth A part will be not true, which I have written here, and this is your correct answer only. They stand and walk mostly on their two hind legs. Two hind means पीछे वाले पैर से. Now come to question number 7. Which of the following is more difficult task for a giraffe? Now you all have seen giraffe. You can see giraffe in your book also. Picture is also given. Actually what it is, giraffe, the height of the giraffe is very tall. The giraffe are quite tall, and the difficult task for them is when they have to bow their head and they have to come to the ground. They won't be able to come to the ground for doing any task. So for coming on the ground is the difficult task for giraffe. जिराफ के लिए देखो सिर नीचे करके फिर ऐसे कुछ काम करना, that is more difficult for them because their height is quite bigger. बहुत ऊंचे होते हैं, फिर जब उनको नीचे ऐसे आ करके कुछ करना होता है ना, that they won't be able to do. अभी आपकी बुक में ए ऑप्शन दिया है eating leaves from tree tops. Obviously वो ऊपर पेड़ के ऊपर वाली डाल तक भी जा करके एंड देन दे कैन ईट द लीव्स. बी ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, एकदम नीचे ऐसे जमीन से पानी पीना. दे वोंट बी एबल टू डू दैट. वो नहीं कर पाते. कैसे? बिकॉज उनका जो नेक होता है, नेक इज नॉट एज मच फ्लेक्सिबल एज दैट दे कैन ड्रिंक वाटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. They more often use river to drink water. So and C part is running fast. तो that we obviously know कि जिराफ के पैर बड़े बड़े होते हैं. That's why जिराफ can run fast. तो कौन सा मुश्किल टास्क है जिराफ के लिए? That is drinking water from the ground. Drinking water from the ground. From the ground. Now once we will complete this page, then I'll speak the question and you will match answers from the board whether you have written the correct answer or not. So now children, we'll come to our 8th one. Which of the following is not true about frogs? Which of the following is not true for frogs? So I'll read out the option. A part is they can live both on land and in water. Yes, frog can live on land also and in water also. B is they have sticky tongues. Yes, they have sticky tongues. The tongue of frog is quite sticky. With that sticky tongues, they can catch prey also, catch insects also. वो ऐसे टंग को ऐसे बाहर निकालती है और वो इंसेक्ट के ऊपर चिपक जाती है, उसको लेके एंड देन वापस वो अपने माउथ में रख लेते हैं. नाउ सी पार्ट इज मोस्ट फ्रॉग हैव लॉन्ग टेल्स एंड ओनली अ फ्यू हैव स्मॉल टेल्स. नाउ दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. किसी भी फ्रॉग की आपने लॉन्ग टेल देखी है? यस, तो ये आपका ट्रू नहीं है. मोस्ट फ्रॉग्स हैव लॉन्ग टेल. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. ये आपका नॉट ट्रू हो गया. ये आपका नॉट ट्रू है. फ्रॉग की टेल्स नहीं होती है एंड ओनली अ फ्यू हैव स्मॉल टेल्स. तो ऐसा भी नहीं होता है, किसी के कोई टेल नहीं होती है, ना छोटी होती है ना बड़ी होती है. तो फ्रॉग डजंट हैव लॉन्ग और स्मॉल, एनी काइंड ऑफ ए टेल दो डोंट हैव. सो अभी हमने फ्रॉग के बारे में पढ़ा. एंड चिल्ड्रन जस्ट टेल मी नाउ, in your animal sound chapter we have done the sound of frog also. Croak croak, croak croak is the sound of frog. And in the monsoon season, अभी ये जो बरसात का मौसम चल रहा है, इसमें we oftenly find it out frog. फ्रॉग हमें देखने को हमेशा हर जगह इधर उधर मिल जाते हैं. सो द साउंड ऑल्सो वी हैव डन. और इसके फीचर्स हमें पता लग गए कि उसके पास टिकी टंग होता है. दे कैन लैंड, they can live on land also and live in the water also. So now children will come to our question number 9. To which family do lions belong? Lions किस family को belong करते हैं? Okay children, with this I'll ask you one more question. To which family do tiger belong? Yes, correct. They belong to tiger. देखो tiger देखो cat के जैसे लगते हैं ना देखने में. So they belong to cat family and lion as well belong to cat family only. So to which family do lions belong? Actually क्या है? They both, lion and tiger belong to cat family. देखो क्या होता है, आपके घर में सभी एक साइज के नहीं है, सभी एक जैसे नहीं है. आपके पापा हैं, उनकी हाइट बड़ी होगी, या मम्मी हैं, उनकी हाइट बड़ी होगी या छोटी होगी. एंड इफ यू हैव एनीबडी एल्स लाइक एट योर होम, तो उनकी हाइट क्या होगी? दैट इज ऑफ डिफरेंट साइज. जस्ट लाइक दैट दे बिलोंग टू कैट फैमिली. इट डजेंट मीन लायन और टाइगर कैट फैमिली को बिलोंग करते हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो भी कैट जितने छोटे छोटे होंगे. दे हैव ऑल द फीचर्स. लाइक आपने कैट को देखा है, कैट की जैसे आगे होती है ऐसे हेयर्स होते हैं, तो जस्ट लाइक दैट लायंस के भी वैसे हेयर्स होते हैं, टाइगर के भी वैसे हेयर्स होते हैं. इवन वी कैन सी स्ट्राइप्स, देखो कैट की भी होती है और टाइगर की भी होती है. एंड लायन के जैसे कैट के ऐसे फेस के आसपास आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो यहाँ पे आपको छोटे 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 हेयर्स दिखाई देंगे. एंड द फेस इज अ प्रॉपर राउंड. जस्ट लाइक दैट लायन इज ऑल्सो हैविंग अ राउंड फेस, हैविंग मुस्टैच ऑल्सो. एंड उसके बहुत सारे फीचर्स जो है कैट के साथ. अगर आप फ्रंट वाला फेस देखोगे लायन का, दैट विल मैच अप विथ कैट. So just because of all these features, we'll consider lion and tiger in the cat family. Now come to question number 10. Which of the following is not true about turtles? Now we'll talk about turtles in this. Which of the following is not true about turtles? Now what is not true about turtles? A part. They do not have teeth. Yes, it's correct. टर्टल के कछुआ जो होता है उसके दांत नहीं होते. They don't have teeth. उसके दांत नहीं होते. B is they shed their shells every year. Now in this you have a contradiction. They shed their shells every year. वो shells जो होते हैं, जो उनके आउटर कवरिंग होती है, उसको शेड नहीं करते. They take out their skin every year. Like जो snake होते हैं, snake भी अपनी skin निकालते हैं. So just like that, turtle are also taking out their skin every year. वो जो उनका बड़ा ऐसे पीठ पे जो shell होता है, that they are not removing. वो shell को ऐसे जो पीठ पे होता है ना, ऐसे बड़ा बड़ा सा ऐसे turtle के ऐसे round, ये जो ये ऐसा round होता है, that they are not removing. जो टर्टल की जो बॉडी होती है, जो उसकी स्किन होती है, दैट दे आर रिमूविंग. नाउ दे कैन स्मेल. यस, दे कैन स्मेल. टर्टल इज ऑल्सो हैविंग 5 सेंस ऑर्गन एंड दे कैन स्मेल. सो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इन द केस ऑफ टर्टल? दे शेड देयर शेल्स एवरी ईयर. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. दे शेड देयर स्किन एवरी ईयर. दे शेड्स their shells every year. This is not correct. They shed their skin. They shed their skin every year. They shed their skin every year. They doesn't shed their shell. So let's revise this. Question number 1 is what? Okay, one more thing which is given in tidbits. The cheetah, a type of a cat, normally runs at a speed of 80 to 100 km an hour while chasing its prey. Chasing मतलब पीछे दौड़ता है जब वो अपने खाने के, लाइक डियर को जब दौड़ा रहा है या डियर भाग रहा है, कोई भी प्रे उसका भाग रहा है, then that cheetah is running at a speed of 80 to 100 km an hour. 80 to 100 km an hour. This will be the speed of cheetah. Cheetah is also belonging to cat family only. So children, let's revise all these questions. First part, which part of their body do elephant use for lifting, digging, gathering food and striping the bark? So this is A, trunk. And second question, how does a female koala bear carry her baby? In a pouch on her belly. C part, which part of the body does kangaroo use for standing and jumping? Back legs. पीछे के जो पैर होते हैं वो खड़े होने के लिए और जंप करने के लिए. Now what are camels are also called? Ships of the desert. Ships of the desert. Now come to the next one. Which of the following is the favorite food of panda? That is bamboo. Now come to sixth question. In this we have done one tidbits also. Ostrich is the largest bird. It can run very fast but cannot fly. Now come to question number 6. Which of the following is not true about monkey? So they stand and walk mostly on their hind legs, two hind legs. That is incorrect. Now which of the following is a more difficult task for a giraffe? That drinking water from the ground. Now come to question number 8, that is related to frog. Which of the following is not true about frogs? That is, most frogs have long tails. That is incorrect. It's not true about frogs. So now come to question number 9. To which family do lions belong? That is cat. And which of the following is not true about turtle? That they shed their shells every year. They shed their skin every year, but they doesn't shed their shells. So I hope you all have enjoyed the class, your amazing animals. You have enjoyed your amazing animals, and you have done this chapter along with this video only, and quite interesting chapter was this, and I hope you all have liked this chapter. So that's all for today. Good day children. Have a good day.